There's a car that's rolled over on Card Road.
At face value, it seems like a horrible accident.
Do you think there might be injuries?
Yes, we need an ambulance.
But police reports and dash cam video reveals this is the result of an alleged drunk driver.
How much do you have to drink today, Kim?
Like a bed.
And now more red flags are being raised.
Person behind the wheel is a well-known name here in Detroit, but is her case getting preferential treatment? Is it getting swept under the rug because of that?
Well, Nick Monticelli takes us inside some of the controversy.
Someone we are talking about is Kim Mathers, the ex-wife of Detroit rapper Eminem, and her case is here in this Shelby Township courthouse. But it is the case that is drawing questions. Why is it sealed? Why is the Macomb County prosecutor not involved? Now, we have some of those answers.
911.
There is just a horrific crash.
Do you think there might be injuries?
Yes, we need an ambulance.
You can hear it in their voices, the panic, the concern that someone could be hurt or dying. You can see it in this obtained police dash cam video, and you'll learn more from the police reports.
They're trying to get him out of the car. Okay, I don't want them trying to move her.
When the panic subsides, what's really happening begins to set in. In this case, Kimberly Mathers, the ex-wife of Eminem, allegedly got very drunk and got behind the wheel.
You know who it is? You know, Kim Mathers. Is it? Yep, she's hammered. I asked her what happened. She said, I'm drinking and driving. She smells like she's hammered.
The accident happened on a sunny day in October around 12 o'clock in the afternoon near 23 Mile Road and Card in Macomb Township. The SUV Mathers was driving slammed into a ditch and a utility pole, then landed upside down.
I heard a big boom and it just was like, what was that? And I looked outside and all of a sudden I seen this big truck flipped upside down in the ditch.
Rosanna Maniaci lives just feet from where it happened. Mathers wasn't too badly hurt, and she was very open with deputies.
How much do you have to drink today, Kim?
Like a bed.
What were you drinking?
An entire fifth of Malibu rum, according to her, and then she got behind the wheel. But police reports tell the other half of the story. Mathers allegedly told the firemen she did this on purpose, making them believe she was suicidal. An emergency psychiatric evaluation was done. At the hospital, Mathers was finally cited for operating while intoxicated.
I'm a peace officer. You're under arrest for the offense of operating a vehicle while intoxicated due to the consumption of alcoholic liquor, a controlled substance,
I am under arrest.
Other intoxicating substance, or a combination.
And that is where the story would have ended, except for what happened in court later.
I think they weren't expecting, cameras in the courtroom anyway.
Charlie Cadato is a reporter for Shelby TV, Shelby Township's cable station. Many young journalists start their careers here, and Cadato got a tip, a big one for a new reporter that would force him to quickly learn how to get documents when others don't want you seeing them. A source said Mathers' entire case was going to be sealed, which raises a lot of red flags. Freedom of Information Act requests to the Macomb County Sheriff's Department revealed many details, including that the case was in fact sealed. But why? Is it because of who Kimberly Mathers is? Or could it be they don't want her medical information or that psych evaluation made public? Is that legal, or is she getting special treatment?
Very rare that OWI cases get sealed.
Gary Kennedy is a criminal defense attorney and has handled many OWI cases. It turns out sealing a case is legal, but very uncommon.
I believe every case should be open to the public, no matter your status or your stature or the amount of money you have or don't have.
So we went to Kim Mathers' home, hoping to ask why this case was being swept under the rug.
I'm Nick Monticelli.
I really don't want to talk to shit. No TV. Nope.
Well, can we just talk to you about what's going on here?
Obviously, no clear answer there. But those who were around during the accident are furious this is happening.
She could have hurt someone. She could have killed someone.
You go to court, says the law is equal for everybody, but it's at this point it depends how deep your pockets are.
In Shelby Township, Nick Monticelli, Local 4.
All right, Nick, and we do have more on Kim Mathers, including the timeline, the 911 call for the crash, and the full unedited dash cam video on the homepage of clickondetroit.com.
Good thing nobody was hurt in that.